Hi everyone, my name is Jagdish. Welcome to the phpTalent.info website. If you need any personal training, one-to-one training and career guidance, please mail me at jagdish1@datta1@gmail.com. This special training is different from the watching the videos and downloading the videos. I will teach you about from PHP tutorials to the project designing level. Okay, now you are going to the topic that is called while loop. Let's go. Yeah, the syntax is while loop for is this one. Sorry. The syntax, we have to use the while keyword, and we have to write the condition is here and code to be executed. Which is condition is true. What actions or code to you want to do when this condition is true. You want what is the use of while loop? When the particular condition is true, till then the code inside the while loop should be executed. So I want to display some code here when this condition is true. So this is the code. Now I want to, our agenda is I want to display 5 numbers 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, the program is here. I am opening the PHP opening tag, the closing tag. I am initializing $x is equal to $x is equal to 1. It means that I am telling that the loop starts from the 1. You got my point? Okay. Next, I am passing some condition here. Okay, $x. Now $x. I already assigned some value to the $x. So present value of $x is 1. 1 less than equal to 5. Yes, true. No, the code inside this block will be executed. So what code now? First, when the first time the code is run, when we hit the URL, the code inside this condition, the code inside this block will be executed each time the condition is true. This while loop works. It will run so many times until the condition is true. Like if first time $1 is less than is equal to 5, s is true, then again it goes to here. It starts with here. We will displaying some value, and again it goes to the top. Okay, it will it will not come outside of the till it works, till the condition is true. The inside condition will be executed repeatedly. It means 1 less than equal to 5, the code is I want to execute the x value here, and next x plus. It means that we are storing x value in we are storing the x value because if you want, we have to store the x value, because by the next time when we want to check the condition, if you don't have any value, means we cannot value regarding number of times the loop is generating. Each time the loop is running, the x value will be increased by the 1. So here x plus is equal means $x is equal to $x plus 1. $x equal to $x plus 1. When we run this code first time, the initial x value will be what will the initial x value be? 1 less than equal to 5. So the present value of x is 1. Okay, we are displaying this x plus the number is 1. Okay, the next I said you x plus is equal to $x plus 1. Now $x, what is $x? X containing value, what value does $x is containing? 1 plus 1 is 2. Now we are assigning 2 to the $x variable. I already said that it will again goes to here. After executing this line and this line, again it goes to here. That is the main use of the loops. It will run again and again till the condition is true. When the condition is true, the code inside the block will executed, and again the condition, and after executing the inside the block, again you will check the condition. This doesn't come out of the while loop. Again it will goes to, again it check the condition. So $x is equal to, now handing 2, $2 is equal to less than equal to 5, false. Again this code is executed, and now $x value incremented by 1. As I earlier said that $x is equal to $x plus 1. Now $x, what value has $x is carrying now? 2 plus 1 3. Now 3's value is assigned to $x. Now again it's go after executing this and this, it again goes to the condition. Okay, again it goes to condition, $3 less than is equal to 5, it is true, and then again one will be incremented, and again x value will be 4, 4 less than equal to 5, and again the x value is executed, and and again x value incremented by the 1, 5 less than is equal to 5 is true, echo the number is x, and we will reach the final number. So present after the, if when we enter with 5 value, 5 less than equal to 5, the echo the number is 5, and $x is equal to 5 plus 1, $x is equal to 6. Now this is 6. Now again I earlier said that when we run the code, it will display code inside the while loop, and after displaying the code inside the value, it again checks the condition. When the checking the condition, when while loop will stop checking the condition is when the condition, once the condition is false, it never goes to the inside the block, and again not it is unable to check the again the condition, because it will check the it will check the condition each and every time. Once the condition is false, the loop process will be stopped until the loop process, it is like a chain system. When the condition is true, inside the until this statement is executed, sorry, until the statement is true, till then the chain will be continued. When this while statement will come out of the block is when this $x value, as per present situation I'm telling, present $x value is 6, then the condition is false, so that it will come out of the block. Till then it will be we will be just like general terms I will tell you you are walking in a ground, in a round circle, you will walking in a ground round again and again and again and again and again and again till you exhausted. When you got exhausted, you will be sit, and you will definitely left the ground. Likewise, while loop is till the inside the condition all the code will be executed, and after the executing till the condition is true, after the execution of the code, it again checks the condition, and the condition is true, then the code is executed, and next check the condition. It check the condition is false, then only the checking again and again will be stopped, and while loop, it will come out of the while loop. While loop means this, when the condition is false, it will come out of this block. Okay, now we will run the, now we want to okay, go to the program. Sorry, I wrongly saved file. and displaying here the x value. Okay, each time the loop is executed, I said that the x value will be incremented by the 1, so that 1 2 3 4 5. Now I want to display hello world. Our main target is hello world. So hello world. Okay, hello world. Echo, the number is $x. If we take the $x value as 10, the code will not execute it because the while condition is false. Though inside the block of the code inside the while block will not be executed. Sorry, I am not saved the file. See here, empty, because I'm written I written some data only inside this block. I have not written any data outside this block. So if you want to display this data, you must obey this condition. If only the condition is true, then only the code inside the block will be executed. Okay, in the next video I will discuss about do_while loop, and after that I will discuss about for loop, and after that I will discuss you about for each loop. Before that I will tell you about what is arrays. So because when we use for each loop means when a variable is in array format, you must use for loop only. Sorry, for each loop we can't display array values by using for loop. In the next video I will talk about do_while loop. If you have any doubts or anything, please contact me. If you need any personal training, any doubts, you put your mail me and sorry, in subject ask me need personal training. Personal training is very different from the watching videos and downloading programs. There are many more. I will spare some 2 hours per day. I will spend 2 hours only on one student. I will directly interact with the student, and student will interact with me. Only me and the student will be there. It's online, so that user has any doubts, next minute, next second he can ask me the doubt, and also I will interact with them with Skype and email. In live I will explain the videos. You can also ask me in front of me. You can also execute the code. If you facing any issues with executing the code, I will help you in making the code right. Okay, thank you.